Hey, what's going on, everybody?
Hi, everybody.
We're here at Papi's and we are going to show you the buffalo chicken sub. Oh my goodness, it's always delicious. Check this out. Check this sub out, guys. Buffalo chicken, blue cheese. I do mine up a little different. I do the jalapenos, onions, tomato. I skipped the lettuce this time on a toasted hoagie roll. You guys don't know what you're missing. I wanted to check this out. I'm gonna try to fold this up and eat it. It's gonna be tough.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, Papi's gonna try to eat this.
I'm gonna try to get a knife in here somehow. I'm gonna try to spread this out enough to where I can actually cut it. It's just full of meat and blue cheese. Look at all that blue cheese.
Oh, yummy.
That's what I love. Now this
Papi?
was inspired by one of my favorite places to get a sub,
Yes,
Florida, at Publix Deli.
yes.
And ever since we moved to the Philippines, I've been missing it. Been missing this sub. So we put it on the menu here, guys.
And it's absolutely delicious.
It is. Check this out. I'm gonna try to fold this over right here. It ain't gonna fit. It ain't gonna fit, but I'm gonna make it.
Try your best, try your
There we
best. That's
go.
all you can do.
There we go. It's gonna fall out. I can't help it. It's gonna fall off the bone. Let me see if I can cut it. There we go.
All right, you did
Check
good.
it out.
Yeah, you did good.
There you go. Now, is that a sandwich or what?
My friend Denise is here.
Denise is visiting with us.
Hey,
How's that butterfly doing anyway?
still there?
It's still flying? She laughs.
Yeah.
It's flying. Yeah, there's a sandwich for you guys. Check
gosh.
that out. Only here at Papi's Bar and Chill are you going to get a buffalo chicken sub.
Come and join us.
Check this out. I'm going to cut into this thing. Now, I eat this about 3 times a week.
It's true.
This is my go-to.
Yeah.
This is one of my go-to sandwiches if I'm not eating a burger.
Yeah, all
or a
the
big,
time.
Juicy ribeye. This is one of my go-tos because, like I said, I craved this thing from back at the Publix days. All right, here we go. Now we cut into this thing. Now let's try it out. I think the plate's a little small for this sandwich. But look at
Oh,
that.
Papi, look at that. Oh, yummy.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
I know. Yes.
Gotta tell you, there's a lot of good places to eat in Angeles City, guys. And I'm one to say that I do enjoy other places from time to time, even though we have our own restaurant now. But you just can't find stuff like this everywhere. That's why we made our menu here at Papi's to suit everyone.
Hi, friend. How are you? Thank you for the drink.
Yes, anytime.
Thank you. Thank
Nice
you.
seeing you again.
Thank you. Same here. You're in camera. Is that okay?
Yes, no problem.
Man, tell you what, I chose to put the mild sauce today
For me. Thank you, Papi.
because I knew Mercy was going to help me. She don't go with that hot stuff, but
It's so
I
delicious.
have to add the jalapenos. Gives it that little extra zing. And
It's
you can pick
perfect.
those off.
It's perfect. Yes.
But yeah, the mild is just right for most people. And if you want to spice it up, we have hot. Oh my gosh, guys. You can't go wrong with this. Oh, that delicious blue cheese.
How about if you give me this piece and you continue with this one?
I guess.
Yes, Papi.
You sure?
Yes. No more bites for you.
No more?
That's
Just
mine.
one.
Papi. So my friend Jolene bought us a
Got us some drinks.
Drinks.
Right before she left. Thank you, Jolene.
thank you.
A little rum and coke. Nothing goes better than rum and coke with a buffalo chicken sub.
Yep. You're right. or sangria for me.
For her. Sangria for Mercy.
Love sangria. Look.
The biggie cup, the biggie glass. All right, Mercy's finishing off my little bite here because she already had a bowl of soup earlier.
Yeah.
So you just got the tail end of this sandwich, and I got to finish up this half. No problem for me though.
I'm telling you, Publix and this is exactly the same.
They taste the same, right? Pretty close, pretty close. Oh, let's see what Denise and her friend got here. Look at this. A fat Drake. And it is fat. What in the world? You got scrambled eggs on yours, huh? Look at that. Bacon. Oh, cheese. And you got mango shakes too?
This is like, it's been 3 months since we last ate this butt drake, right?
It's been 3 months since you've been here.
Yeah.
So you've been longing for the fat Drake.
She's been longing for that.
You've been longing for the fat Drake. All right, well, dig in, girls. Let me know how it is.
Thank you. Let's do it.
All right, now that I'm done with that big old sandwich, we are going to finish our drinks here.
Yes, why not?
Little wine and dine today. Give me a nice stout rum and coke. Mercy's got her wine. Cheers.
Cheers, love. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy sub day. Delicious. Who do we have here? It's Doug Diggler. The duck is here. Joe and May brought the whole family out tonight. Check out all the food, everybody. We had to make a special appearance. Duck Diggler came out to say hello. We have a birthday girl, I hear, right? We have a birthday girl. Say hi to everybody, birthday girl. Happy birthday. Pre-happy birthday. Tomorrow, really, right? Here's the duck. You want to get your picture with the duck? Oh, you're missing his shoes? All right. 9 tomorrow, huh? 9 years old tomorrow, Sophia. So Sophia, guess who else's birthday's tomorrow? Mine. We have this. We have the same birthday. Yeah. All right. So that's pretty cool that you're here to celebrate your birthday, and we have the same birthday. What do you think about that, Diggler? There we go.